I expect to get it go higher. It's gonna be high, actually.
Hey guys, can I throw this cloth in? What? That's pretty cool. Getting pretty big.
Dude, actually see it.
Oh my god!
Should actually see it.
I know.
Dude!
Look at this thing!
Oh my god. It's glorious.
This is called the Breathless. No wonder it's called Breathless. Look how beautiful it is. This is so beautiful. Whoa! Guys, did you just see that? All those ashes just like flying around? No firework. That was a firework that went off that we probably don't even know whose. Oh my god, there we go. Grenade!
That's gonna kill somebody.
Guys, I know. But after this, the cartoon is destroyed. We're breaking the law. How? No, this is illegal. How?
No, only aerial fire. The ones that go in the air.